acquired digital fibrokeratoma is a skin-coloured nodule that occurs most frequently on the fingers and toes, but they can also arise on the palms of the hands and soles of the feet. They occur in middle-aged adults and occur more frequently in men than women. The etiology of these lesions is unknown. Grossly, they are elongated or pedunculated lesions that are surrounded by a collarette of slightly raised skin. They may vary in size from a few millimeters to over a centimeter in diameter. Histological features include hyperkeratosis, composed of orthokeratin, that's the keratin without the nuclear remnants. The epidermis is acanthotic and the rete ridges are often branched, and within the fibrokeratoma the core of the lesion is composed of thick bundles of collagen that are often vertically orientated to the surface, and another feature is that they may be quite vascular. Here is a low power view of an acquired digital fibrokeratoma. It is clearly hyperkeratotic. The underlying epidermis is also acanthotic, and you can also see that the rete ridges are indeed in areas branching. And a closer look at the hyperkeratosis reveals that there is absence of nuclear remnants, so this is a thick layer of orthokeratin. And this is the core of the fibrokeratoma, showing bundles of collagen, some vertically orientated, and also the lesion is quite vascular.